Hey guys, so here's this 52-inch Litex Ellington Ceiling Fan. Yep, this fan's from our cousin. This is another fan that I got from our cousin. I got me the Litex Ellington before in July. And I got this fan and the hint to make Glendale in November of last year. Yeah. This fan in the Glendale was from her house, actually. The Brilliante was from another house, but these two fans were from her house. So, this fan is original to her house because it was manufactured in 2003 and her house was built in 2004. So that fan's original to that house, and it came with it. And then the Glendale's from 2014, and someone brought that fan to that house. Yeah. So they were upgrading some fixtures and stuff, and they got new fans. Yeah, they got new fans for the where the Glendale and this fan used to be. So they replaced the Glendale to a Hunter Oakhurst in bronze because the Glendale had a bad capacitor. Low speed didn't even work at all, and high is slower than medium, and both speeds are very, very slow, and they look a lot like low speed, but slower than that. Yeah. And then they replaced this fan, the Ellington, into the Harbor Breeze Notus in bronze, because this fan also has a bad capacitor as well. So high speed is slower than medium as well, but low speed's normal though, it spins regularly. But high is slower than medium, and then medium's just a little slower than usual. So that's why this fan was removed too. And now I have them. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do a tour of this fan, show the information about it, and then demonstrate it. I'm gonna do two demonstrations. I'm gonna do a bad capacitor demonstration and a new capacitor demonstration. So yeah. This fan's in a rare finish, actually. This is my first time seeing this finish, and it's a rare finish. This finish is Vintage Pewter. Yeah. It looks like a verde looking finish, but it's not green. It's like a grayish looking finish. So it's Vintage Pewter, and it has 5 mahogany blades facing down, and that's what it was before. And it's reversible to some kind of oak. Not quite sure what it is. Bleached oak, maybe? I don't know. But yeah. Yeah, the blade's a little droopy over the years. It has 4 lights like kit with alabaster shades. It has 460 watt soft white LEDs, and those bulbs are from Litex Ellington. I decided to use those from that fan to this fan to demonstrate. And one of the bulbs I kept. Well, I mean. And the other 3 came with that fan, and I had 1 bulb for the collection. This fan can be used with or without light, and it came with the light, and it's also in Vintage Pewter. It came with 2 original black wooden pull chains. They were a little short. They were about up to here. So I longer them since they were short to make the fan look nice. Yeah. It's just a regular builder fan. It's an Ellington. And they were a bit common back then when houses were built in like early 2000s, mid 2000s. Has a longer downward. There's the canopy. There's the model number, but it's backwards. Your sticker says January 2003. And this fan's from July 2003. And there's the stickers in there. So yeah. Yep, the Euro sticker says November 2002 and the light kit's from August 2003. Yeah, those 3 fans I got, including the Litex Ellington, they were dusty, and I cleaned them. I think the dustiest with the Litex Ellington, the second dustiest with the Hampton Bay Glendale, and the third dustiest was this fan, I think, Litex fan. Also, when I got this fan, it was very wobbly. The hanger ball was loose and the set screws were loose, and they moved a lot. That's probably another reason why they removed it. It wobbled a lot, and it has a bad capacitor. And when I tested this fan, it doesn't even wobble at all. And I fixed the wobbling, but I gotta fix the capacitor though. And this fan has a 5 and 4 blade motor. And I'm gonna make a demonstration video of this fan with 5 and 4 blades. But I'm probably not gonna do a spin down because spin down is longer than this fan. Just like what I did to the Brilliante. Yeah, when I demonstrate 5 and 4 blade motor fans that has a long spin down, I'm not gonna do one since they're long. And they take up space too. But anyways, I'm about to go ahead and demonstrate it. Here we go.